This is Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing a post-liner, post-repair lateral inspection at 2221 Muegge Road. We're looking at the main connection there. We've pushed from a 4-inch PVC cleanout. Here is a 6-inch PVC cleanout just downstream of this one. So we're looking at the main there. We're in a vertical drop. Settled and broke. See, there's our connection to the 35 PVC. Yeah, we had to go back at 6-inch PVC, approximately 10 foot in order to fix the swale that was in there. There's our other connection to the PVC. And the green pipe we're looking at is the stuff that was already here. There is this pipe. Into our 46-inch glue fitting connection. There's 6-inch cleanout right there. And through our 64 connection, up a small drop. You see, back into our cleanout here. Spin around and go upstream. This sewer does go up underneath the concrete patio, so we lined. This was 4-inch clay under here. Had roots growing in it, so we were going to line it, structurally repairing and sealing it. Line all the clay. And up into the cast iron. Just a little bit. Here's our cast iron inside the house. We stopped our liners right at the house line there. And that'll conclude the video.